At the moment, si IRCC doesn't allow. So to answer yung question ni Dale, no, high risk bang mag-change from visitor visa to student visa? Hindi naman siyang high risk, Dale. It's just that at the moment, si IRCC doesn't allow any temporary resident visa. So doon pumapasok yung work at saka study permit na mag-apply within Canada. So you really have to go out of Canada. So yun yung tinatawag nilang mag-exit ka. So anyway, if you are inside Canada, pwede ka pa din namang mag-exit sa South American countries o kaya naman lalabas ka talaga like kung saan mo man gustong pumuntang country. Basta kailangan lang lumabas ka and then papasok ka uli kasi bawal siya ng inside Canada. Before kasi pwede and before merong loophole which is yung flag polling na tinanggal na completely ng IRCC. So it's not risky, it's just that you really have to go out of Canada and come back in.